success is the one basic, absolute essential ingredient of successful people. Believe, really believe, you can succeed and you will. Over the years, I've talked with many people who have failed in business ventures and in various careers. I've heard a lot of reasons and excuses for failure. Something especially significant